Hey guys, so we're gonna be talking about Bifenthrin today, kill on contact, and then the difference between Demand CS and TEKKO Pro. So in this application, I'm gonna be using the Bifenthrin 7.9. Talstar has it, but then this is a bit cheaper for my budget, and this is a little expensive, but you don't need to use as much Demand CS, right? So essentially these two are supposed to be doing the same thing. TEKKO Pro is a growth inhibitor. Basically it's supposed to prevent the bugs from infestation. So basically it controls their growth, and this will kill them on contact. This one does not last as long. This is California, so for my use, I try to use this, once every couple of months. And then now this one is much better than the TEKKO Pro. And then the TEKKO Pro, you use more of it. You use an ounce per gallon. This one you use 6 milliliters. Can't sure if you can see. So all right, so there are two little lines here. The top line, which is right here, is 12 milliliter, and then the 6 milliliter, it's already on 6, a little above it, but 6 milliliter is this much is all you need for a gallon. So a gallon on this is, let's see, so that's 2 gallons, right? And I usually fill up 1 gallon for this size, because I get more air in there, and then I get I don't have to pump as much. But if you want, you can just go up to 2 gallons all the way here. Water. And then, let's see, we have an ounce of this, 1 ounce per gallon, and then I refill as I go. Works much better for me like that than 2 gallons. Sometimes I do it, I fill up the whole 2 gallons and call it a day. But I repeat this, 6 milliliter. Per 500 square, you use it as much as you need. It's always, it's not a, it's not always, like, say, okay, it says 6 milliliter for gallon, right? And then 800 to 1600 square foot. So you could apply a little more here, a little more there, a little less here, a little less there, depending on how much you apply. On plants, say you apply it on like, plants, you don't know how much you're using, so I fill it as you go, and it should be good to go, and then yeah, so the Demand CS does the same job as the TEKKO Pro. It inhibits the growth for a longer period of time than the TEKKO Pro, so that's why I'm using it. And these all, when you apply them, they blend in. They don't they don't leave a you know, residue behind, so that's good. You know, so same thing again. Growth regulator, Demand CS, TEKKO Pro growth regulator. You use an ounce. You only use 6 milliliter of this. Lasts longer, a bit more expensive, but not as much, because you only, given the fact that you only use 6 milliliters, lasts longer, better product than TEKKO Pro. But always good to have these around if you do your own pest control. You know, save a lot of money doing that nowadays. Unfortunately, things are expensive, so gotta do what you gotta do. I'll try to put these in the description down below if you guys want to just find it or find similar products. Leave any questions you guys have down in the comment section and I'll answer. Talk to you guys later.